Metaworks is a highly advanced integrated sheet metal programming solution seamlessly integrated into the Solidworks design environment. The integrated application will process, translate Solidworks parts, assemblies, and sheet metal parts with the defined, intelligent automatic tooling technology right from your Solidworks window. Metaworks can easily convert models or entire assemblies into programmed parts and nested sheets. The software is designed for the Solidworks power user who can benefit from the interface. Single integrated design environment allows the designer to program parts right from Solidworks without leaving Solidworks or having to export data to intermediate files such as DXF. Metaworks drills down Solidworks assemblies and subassemblies, extract the relevant sheet metal information, program parts, and load into a nesting job for batch process. The time saved in processing large assemblies with a single click versus manually programming each part itself justifies using Metaworks. Further, all part information is automatically inherited from Solidworks files and eliminates any chances of human error. Metaworks, integrated sheet metal programming solution for Solidworks.